Hey everybody, this is Jason and Liz. Hello RC.
And Crawler Cat.
And Crawler Cat. And Miles. There's Miles right there. But anyways.
She was all ready for the pose and you moved it off of
Oh,
her.
jeez. Miles had to get some airtime.
Okay.
But anyways, it was maintenance day out here at the crawler course and Caves Landing for Meow. So we just wanted to take a tour around, look at all the work we did today. And we have to do this every couple weeks to maintain our course and keep it looking nice. Our world-class crawler course. And a lot of you probably haven't even seen our scale course, but this is where we hang out here. Liz is over here behind me, coming with me. But we got the scale part of the course all cleaned up today. Trails cleaned up. See my little pile of ash there where we burned a lot of sticks and things that had
still burning good.
Yep, fallen on the course. Got my power lines all put back together and they are on right now, but you can't really, it's not dark enough to see them.
Crawler Cat didn't like Miles being out here.
No, they're sharing the spotlight here now.
She hissed at him.
Yep, there's the little substation that powers the whole course. But we've got the 14th scale course looking pretty good, so we'll probably get the Tamiya Semi and the RC 4-wheel drive Overland out here hopefully sometime real soon, because I can't wait to drive on it. But we'll go over here to the crawler side and check it out.
What's he's ruining your course.
Well, looks like Miles is doing his own maintenance here.
What's he finding?
I don't know what he's finding.
He's probably gonna find that shrew.
Yeah, he's after something here. Miles, I was gonna drive on that. What's he? I don't know what he's doing.
I've never seen him dig before, so we'll see what he's after.
This is his first dig. Let's watch him here and see what the heck he's doing.
Bite of the dirt.
What are you doing, Miles? Yep, you're on camera. Miles, I'm gonna have to regrade my road now. He likes those little strings.
Except we do not have weeds.
Yeah, he's getting the grapevine roots out of it. All right, let's go, Miles. Come on.
Look at her. She's just waiting.
Yeah, Crawler's waiting to take us over to the crawler course side. Done a lot of work over there too. Come on, Crawler. There's our little Tonka toys. Those were Wyatt's when he was a kid. The bridge still needs some work. It's bridge out right now, but we'll get that fixed here within a... Yeah, no semi crossing. Weed whacking and all sorts of stuff. I think
we spray with something that's very it doesn't hurt the environment.
Yeah, vinegar and Dawn dish soap and salt and all sorts of crazy stuff. Miles checking it out. But yeah, it takes lots of knocking down weeds and cleaning up and burning leaves and sticks and twigs. And
Miles just used
there's a little pond here. Our man-made part of the course, which Liz says she wants to jump a crawler off of that, the little part there that goes to nowhere. We need to work on that and get something added there.
He walked up those steps.
Oh, he did?
Little footprints, like.
Oh yeah, look at that. Little wet, muddy footprints right up the steps.
He went across there.
Here's some of our extra concrete here that we haven't placed yet. There's Crawler and Miles.
Let's see if he can get up there.
Pride Rock.
He can get up there.
He can.
He's choosing not to. She's kind of hissy with people up there.
Knock down some of the grass that's around the edges here because it's not friendly to the mower, some of these rocks. Crawler. But yeah, we want to get out here and make some videos here real soon. The bathroom project. Yep, tomorrow we're going to get out here and make some videos.
No rain, and it should be a nice day.
Yep, beautiful day, no rain. Course is in great condition.
We have some Cheerios.
We have some Cheerios. But anyways, yeah, this is course maintenance day. We just wanted to share it with you guys, see what we've been doing, and we can't wait to see you soon. So thanks for watching. This is Jason and Liz. Good night.
Yep, good night. Hi. Miles. He wants whatever's in that cup. There was some fish food in there. He's always hungry. You're not though, are you? No. You're just patient.